How many half cups equal 3/4 cup? Okay, so let's say n times of half cup equal to 3/4 cup. That is, you need to add half cup of something n times. Find the value of n. So multiply both sides by 2. So look, cancel this to this 2, you are getting n equal to 3 times 2 divided by 4. So 6/4. Divide this numerator and denominator by 2, you will get 2 and here 3, that is 3/2. Now divide this 3 by 2, you are getting 2 goes into 3, 1 times 2, 2. You subtract, then you are getting 1. So your this quotient will be the whole number, this is the remainder, and this is the denominator. This remainder will be the numerator and this divisor will be the denominator, that is 1 and 1/2. So the value of n equal to 1 and 1/2. This means that you have to add, multiplication means adding, addition, that you have to add 1/2 of something one time, then 1/2 time, that is, you have to split of one half of something into two portion, and then you have to take just one portion. This is 1 and half.